Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Home Remedies. Today I will share with you a secret juice recipe which is easy to make and very beneficial to make your bones strong in very less time. So stay tuned till the end of the video to get full information. While bones are the hardest mineral substances in the body, they are also living and growing tissue. They are primarily made of two materials, collagen, a protein, and calcium, a mineral. Bones provide strength, balance, and support throughout the body, including protecting the internal organs and supporting the muscles. Healthy bones are also important for good posture, to improve your appearance and keep you looking youthful for years. When it comes to protecting your bones and energizing your body, it's never too late. No matter what your age is, you can adjust your diet and lifestyle to help your body build and maintain strong bones. To get all the essential nutrients for strong bones and lots of energy to carry you through the day, you can start your day with a glass of healthy juice. The key ingredients of homemade juice to strengthen bones and energize the body are ingredients: half cup of raw spinach, half cup of vitamin D fortified orange juice, 1 cucumber chopped, 2 green apples sliced into small pieces, 1 piece of ginger root peeled. Here are the specific benefits that these ingredients provide to your bones. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-dense green vegetable that's essential for your bone health. It is a rich source of vitamin K, with just 1 cup of spinach providing 181% of the recommended daily value for vitamin K. Vitamin D fortified orange juice. This citrus juice is high in vitamin D, an essential nutrient for muscles and bones. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, which is necessary to maintain strong bones. A deficiency in vitamin D can cause soft, thin, and brittle bones. This can lead to rickets in children and osteoporosis in adults. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are touted as a rich source of vitamin A, B, and C, and minerals like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. Collectively, these minerals not only hydrate your body but also contribute to stronger bones. Cucumbers are highly alkaline in nature and help regulate the pH levels of your body. Green apples. This tasty fruit is an excellent source of nutrients that support the bone health. Green apples contain a flavonoid called floridizin, which can reduce the risk of osteoporosis by improving inflammation and increasing bone density. Ginger. Ginger is also known to boost bone health and relieve joint pain. It has a unique organic compound known as gingerol, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Steps to make the juice. Cut the green apples into small pieces and put in the juicer. Remove the stalks from the spinach leaves and add into the juicer. Next, put chunks of cucumber through the juicer. Peel and chop a piece of ginger root. Add it into the juicer. Transfer the juice into a container and add the orange juice. Mix it well. If needed, add a little water to get a better consistency of the juice. Pour the juice into a glass. Add some ice cubes if desired. Enjoy healthy juice for bones. Drink this healthy juice fresh every day in the morning. That's all guys. All the details to the ingredients and preparations are available in the video description below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.